Thanks, John. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. We're here at NAB, and we always show you the leading and bleeding edge products for every single year. And this is amazing, a game changer. What it is, it's a drone on the inside, which you can see operates like, and it has a cage built around it, and you can display on it whatever you want. And what's amazing is, just think of that, no more blimps, no more flying planes. Imagine if you had this at a convention. I'm going to show it to you flying in the room. Absolute bleeding edge products. This is going to change the industry, and it'll differentiate you from all your competitors, and it'll bring you increased revenue. So look at this.
Unfortunately, today we don't try here, but
Inventor? Oh yeah. This guy here invented it, one of the co-inventors.
I'm a co-inventor.
That's all right. Nobody does it alone anymore. Outstanding product. This is something that you need to follow and get. It's a game changer.
Okay. And we are trying to make it long. Right. Okay.
It's a point of view display, and it flies.
Tether is very hard to manage, because our
it's created by NTT Docomo in conjunction with them.
In 22.2,
it can display high-resolution images of 760 by 320 in all directions from anywhere 3D in space. It has rotating, multi-emitting LEDs that wraps around the drone. So what you get is persistent human vision. And when you see it like a spherical display flying in the sky. It's a special platform which all sorts of applications could be done on. So I wanted to make sure I showed you that. I'll send it back to you in the studio. Follow us, Sync, SYNC Media Network on YouTube, and we'll be doing more. Please like, follow, and share. Back to you in the studio, John.